Hey designers, look at this design. Now I just made a simple tweak and see that how the whole design and the vibe changes. Well, this is alignment. So hey guys, this is Shalab and welcome back to the episode 3 of Design Principle series. And in today's video, we are going to talk about alignment in design. And at the end of this video, I am going to tell about your optical alignment that most of the designers miss. So alignment is a very basic principle that to arranging the elements of our design across an invisible line so that our design looks more clean and aligned to our user, and user easily read the design elements in our design. So alignment is basically three types. First is left alignment. So left alignment हम कहाँ यूज कर, जो टेक्स्ट हम यूजर को पढ़वाना चाहते हैं या फिर वी वांट कि यूजर उसको फर्स्ट टाइम में अपने स्कैन कर ले, बिकॉज our human mind is more accessible to read from left to right, books, magazines, or like social media creatives. And if we want to focus on our design, if we want our user to focus on something, then we use center alignment. For example, forms or CTA or banner, we use the center alignment. Now we have left alignment. Basically, left alignment is used in very rare cases. Tables, for example, where we used to show the numerical data, because numerical data is easily to scan left side instead of right side. For example, series bill, if I align from left to right, then it is more easily to compare all that prices, and it is more accessible to users. So one of the most important thing that most of the designers miss is optical alignment. So sometimes we have to break the rule of basic principles of design to make the design more comforting to human eye. We have to make it little asymmetrical, or misaligned. For example, look at this play button. Ideally or mathematically we have to place it in the center, but due to it looks more aligned, more visual weight on the right side, so I'll little slightly move to the more towards the right side. Another example is, for example, I have created this UI and I use this fire icon. Since this fire icon has more visual weight in the bottom, so I will make little up towards from the bottom center line, and to make it more visually appealing to the human eye. So in the next video, I am going to talk about contrast. So please hit the follow button and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.